Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Sharad Gupta, co-founder Identity Plus. I am practicing dental surgeon. I am a smile designer. I have been practicing clinical dentistry for last 20 years in Delhi and Gurgaon. My job is to bring smiles on my patient's face, and we are committed to help our patients smile no matter what. So today, I am starting my video journey to talk to you, to build up communication with my patients and to convey important messages to my patients which will help them in their day-to-day life and help them and motivate them about their oral care. So today what I am going to share with you is very important learning which happened to me over 20 years of clinical practice. There are two stories, and the first story is about faith. This is long back. This is somewhere about 2004. I was practicing in my Delhi clinic, and one fine day I have a patient walking to my clinic for an acute dental emergency. He had a pain in his lower molar, and patient was literally in tears. He was a middle-aged man called Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma wanted some immediate therapy for pain management. I looked at a case. He had a bad swelling, and I advised him few antibiotics, painkiller. Of course, some x-rays were done to help him out. And after a few days, patient came to me, and we decided we will remove the tooth, and then extraction was done. And subsequently, we never got in touch again for a long period of time. So 2009, the patient walks back to me smilingly and says, "Doctor, you remember me? I had come to you with a lot of pain, and the way you handled my case and the way you remembered the way you removed my tooth, I realized that you are a good doctor, you have a good pair of safe hands. So I sent you a lot of patients." I said, "No, Mr. Sharma, nobody came to me quoting your name or referring that you have sent them to me." He said, "No, Dr. Gupta, these Mr. So-and-so Sharma, Mrs. So-and-so Sharma, my niece so-and-so Sharma, so many Sharmas he sent to me after that." I said, "Oh, so they were all from you?" He said, "Yes. The way you treated me, I trusted you enough, and I knew you are good enough for my contact spare and good enough for my family." So friends, trust is one of the most important parameter when we treat our patients, and I feel trust is also important for any business, whether it is consumer related or service related. Second most important story of my life. Story is about Mrs. Sinha. Mrs. Sinha, she walks into my practice in Gurgaon, and when she walks, she opens the door of my cabin. The moment she enters, she says, "Dr. Gupta, I am a very fat lady. I have a lot of dental problems and I have a lot of medical issues. But I tell you, I hate dentists. I hate them because they all make me feel bad. They all shout at me and they all fire me for not doing enough for my dental care. So I am what I am. I do my best, but still I have a lot of issues." So I do a good examination for Mrs. Sinha, and I realize the emotional aspect of her experience, what she had gone through previously. So I tell her, "Mrs. Sinha, I think you are doing great, but I think we can do excellent with your oral care and dental treatment." So these switch in the word from great to excellent, and a positivity in my assuring her that we can do better for her no matter what, gave her a new rainbow. Friends, these are two magical words. First one is trust, and the second one is feel. So with faith and feel, I feel any patient can be managed, and this is what is important for any business also. No matter what, you are a business owner or a service provider or a consultant, if you follow these two words strongly in your practices, you will go way ahead. So I hope you enjoyed my talk. I'll be back with some other interesting stories from my Pandora box. Thank you. Stay tuned.